Hello guys, welcome to Gaming Hub. In this 50 tutorial, I will tell you about traffic lights. You must stop for red lights on the path when they are green. Remember to use blinkers if required. Let's go guys. First of all, start your engine. And then the most important part of your driving, always check your seatbelt. Never drive without seatbelt. And now you first check your car. And now give some base to it, like this. Now turn your steering towards left, this is the left one, and now give some base to it, like this. Now give left turn to your car, like this. Now you see this, there is a traffic light, traffic signal, now it's green, so now you have to go left on the left side, The guys always follow your traffic signals and traffic rules for your country, never over it. So guys, thanks for watching this, and next tutorial will tell you some more about tips and tricks of driving. So keep watching Gaming Hub and take a safe journey and have a safe drive. Thanks for watching.